Did you know that AI-powered language models like GPT-4 can process a staggering 25,000 words in a single response, equivalent to reading over 50 pages of a novel in a matter of seconds? Welcome to a somewhat in-depth analysis of the GPT-4, a language model that has made an evolutionary leap in the realm of generative artificial intelligence. GPT-4, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4, is not merely an iteration, but a significant improvement in language comprehension and generation. Its advanced architecture, refined training data, and larger model sizes are currently raising the bar from its predecessor, GPT-3.5. The evolution of AI has taken a remarkable journey in search for excellence so far. GPT-4's versatile implementation across diverse sectors showcases its potential to transform human-machine interaction significantly, from enhancing content creation to revolutionizing customer service, just to name a few examples. The newest iteration, GPT-4, inherits the core strengths of GPT 3.5, but introduces significant enhancements. Notably, GPT-4 now accommodates an input word count of up to 25,000, a substantial increase from its predecessor, allowing for more comprehensive data processing. Or, to be more exact, 8 times more than GPT 3.5. OpenAI's focus on minimizing hallucinations, which are incorrect or stereotypical responses, highlights the system's advancements in creativity, summarizing information, and writing capabilities. It has refined the ability to generate contextually accurate responses and optimized language creativity. Moreover, GPT-4's competence in processing images for prompts indicates quite a large transformative shift, from creating a functional website from a simple drawing to understanding visual jokes. For example, OpenAI showcased a scenario where a picture of a fully stocked fridge was shown. The prompt given was, "What can I make with these products?" And voila! GPT-4 flawlessly dished out a step-by-step recipe, leaving no room for cold feet or cold food. While this AI chef is still shaping its culinary skills, it won't be long until we have an AI master chef who whips up recipes from whatever is chilling in our fridge. Bon appetit! This convergence of AI and visual data represents, you could easily say, quite a revolutionary shift in AI capabilities. GPT-4's breakthrough in visual processing also manifests in its ability to transform drawings into functional websites within minutes. The demonstration of turning a drawing into code for a functioning website shows the potential of using visual prompts for practical outputs. The system's proficiency in explaining humor or interpreting visual scenarios, such as determining a joke's context from a series of images, also showcases its evolving capability to comprehend visual data. It's not just about creating functional websites from drawings. It's about understanding and articulating visual content, marking a milestone in AI's evolution. Imagine having meme pages generating various humorous content on social media in the future. But the practical use doesn't stop there. While the coding feature might not be a GPT-4 exclusive, its prospective application in programming empowers even those with minimal coding knowledge to develop games or applications. GPT-4 now offers upgraded step-by-step instructions to, in this case, simplify the game development process, indicating the technology's potential to revolutionize the gaming and app development landscape. Before we proceed, we have something to share with you.
Ever been curious about blockchain, AI, and cybersecurity? Welcome to BlockLink.Digital, where tech becomes simple. Discover hundreds of articles and videos that keep you ahead. Join thousands of tech enthusiasts and subscribe to our weekly newsletter. Never miss a beat of the future. Sign up, it's free. Don't get left behind in the tech revolution. www.blocklink.digital. Dive into tomorrow, today.
Now back to the video. Accessing the enhanced capabilities of GPT-4 is quite an exciting prospect for both novices and experts. The transition to this new iteration signifies a significant advancement in how users interact with AI models. GPT-4's extended word limit and improved accuracy open new doors for individuals and businesses alike. For starters, OpenAI's platforms are user-friendly, providing easy access to GPT-4 through a straightforward interface. They offer dedicated online portals where you can interact with the AI model without needing a degree in computer science. You can simply log in, and within a few clicks, you're navigating through the capabilities of GPT-4 like a pro. This accessibility is a game changer, allowing individuals with little to no coding expertise to harness the power of GPT-4 for their needs. Furthermore, OpenAI provides comprehensive tutorials, documentation, and guides. These resources are tailored to accommodate beginners taking their first steps into AI. These walkthroughs cover everything from basic interactions to more complex uses, allowing users to familiarize themselves with the functionalities and potential applications of GPT-4. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional looking to integrate AI into your workflow, or a curious mind, these resources cater to various skill levels. OpenAI further encourages community engagement and support. They've established vibrant user forums where novices and experts collaborate, share insights, and troubleshoot together. It's a space that fosters learning, idea exchange, and problem solving. Users can ask questions, seek advice, or explore innovative ways to apply GPT-4 in different fields. In the quite dynamic realm of artificial intelligence, GPT-4 stands out as somewhat of a symbol of advancement and potential. This evolutionary advancement from GPT 3.5 signifies a quite huge leap in the AI world as we know it. The continual evolution and integration of GPT-4 into diverse industries pave the way for a more interactive, innovative, and productive AI landscape. The future developments in GPT-4 and AI, in general, promise a shift towards broader accessibility, enhanced creativity, and more profound applications across various sectors. The journey from GPT 3.5 to GPT-4 symbolizes an exciting chapter in the AI revolution, offering an inclusive, transformative opportunity for enduring success in the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of GPT-4 and its remarkable impact on the AI revolution. For the latest updates and insights on AI advancements and tech revolutions, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.